The packaging quality is subpar, with parts that don't fit properly, signaling a disregard for detail. The box is criticized as crappy, and fails to align well with the vehicle. A comparison to a Lancer highlights the RC vehicle's scale and design similarities, revealing that it is essentially a replica of the Lancer model. This vehicle comes with various tire options, including those designed for speed and drift. This adaptability proves essential for tackling diverse driving conditions, enhancing its overall usability. However, the remote control offers limited functionality, permitting only basic commands like turning and acceleration. This simplicity significantly diminishes the user experience. Equipped with racing tires, the vehicle excels in speed and performance during tests. This feature contributes to remarkable acceleration and maneuverability. The demonstration includes a speed test that clearly showcases the vehicle's capabilities and responsiveness, adding an entertaining aspect for viewers while emphasizing its performance. Interestingly, the vehicle's design accommodates standard tires, which still enable commendable performance without needing specialized equipment. This reinforces its versatility and user-friendliness. In a comparative test, the vehicle competes against others, illustrating its competitive nature and speed, thus revealing its potential in various racing scenarios. The mention of different models, like the Toyota AE86, reflects a competitive landscape, underscoring the vehicle's position among peers in similar performance categories.